Bonjour, good morning, and welcome back to France for the Quiksilver and Roxy pros. There is a ton of swell.
8.87, enough to put Ryan Calnan on top of Felipe Toledo.
I don't know what's happening in this event. It seems to be switching around. It's great.
What a big moment. Macy Callahan has just entered her first championship tour final. Wilson clear for takeoff. Big slop punt.
Oh. Big air. And Julian Wilson. And a big attack there. Congratulations to Courtney Conrad.
And Julian Wilson, tour champion to the Quiksilver Pro France.